LR by 2 minus LR by 2 minus D plus LR by 2. Okay, now create. After create, I want to go according to procedure. I want to go. I remember. Okay.
Wire.
First, you have to go to wire, right click, port, create port,
Wire port,
middle, create. Okay, after that, configurations, requests, currents, create.
Okay.
Create.
Source.
Frequency will do off then.
Source.
That last time we did source and then that's why it didn't come. Frequency. 1 minute. I'll check what's the order after request. Don't do.
Frequency only you can do, yeah.
Don't do. I want to go according to order. There's some problem. I don't want that error only. See immediately after lambda by 2, no? See here. After click on wire, pause it. 56 to 450. Okay. Now sources. Voltage source, no?
Yeah.
Create. Next request. Far fields. 180 degree. 360.
5 and 5.
Frequency over source, over far fields, over everything. All is done, okay?
Yeah.
Now mesh.
Create mesh. Value
0.001.
Yes, mesh.
Okay. Now then go to run solve. CM validate.
Yeah.
Okay, validate.
Close.
Next, FEKO solver. Yes.